This is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up an unlimited amount of data for 30 days on your Samsung phone. So we can just scroll on down from the top right and go to settings right here and scroll on down. And we can go to general management, that would work too here. So we can tap this, scroll on down and look for the reset option. Under here we have the option to back up unlimited data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days or restore data you backed up. So come in here before you factory reset your phone and go to backup data. And then you can back up all your data to Samsung Cloud for 30 days. And then come back into here after you reset your phone, go to restore data. And it should download everything from the cloud. Now if you have an external USB device you want to go ahead and plug in, you have this option right here. You can transfer it to an SD card too, if your phone has an option. Many of the high-end phones simply do not have an SD card because, well, they can make you pay for external storages. So they can, you can back it up right here with that USB device if you want. Or we can go back under here and we go to factory reset. And we can just reset it, then come back into here, get all your data back. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.